Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add transition in video in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So as you can see now I've added a lot of different videos, and what if I need to make like space between them, like changes, make them like more viewable for the viewer. So I have the solution. We can use the transition templates which are added to CapCut to help us. So all we need is just to click on transitions here in the left top window, so open transitions, and as you can see we have a lot of different options like overlay, camera, blur, basic, light, glitch, destruction, slide, split. Basically there are a lot of them. So we can just click on every single part here and try to click and move. Sometimes it's necessary to download this transition, so just click on this arrow icon in the right bottom corner. So after that everything is ready, we can just click, and as you can see now it looks much more interesting. So sometimes there are a lot of different templates. Basically I suggest you to try to use them, because sometimes, for example, this transition is more suitable for your video and this one is for the next one, for example. So all we can do with transitions, of course we can delete them, just click on them and delete on timeline, and also we can click and change the duration, for example like here. As you can see we can also click here and use it like transition here. So sometimes it could be helpful to change the duration of transition to make it like slower or faster. So some transitions good when they are slow, and some of them are good when they are like in the high speed. So basically this is a way of how can you add transitions to a video in CapCut PC. Hope the video helped you out. Please leave a like, subscribe and write a comment. Goodbye.